YouTube, Donut here, and today we are going to be building with blocks. So first I'm gonna make a half a cube, and then my brother will make a pyramid. And I'm gonna have to make a half a cube with these blocks. But not with all of them because it's going to be too hard. So first, and if you guys want to do this.
It's only going to be squares. It's only going to be triangles.
Now mine is easy, but his is difficult. He taught me how to do it.
For me, mine's easy.
Yeah, not for me. But we're showing you how to do it. So this one, we will call this one easy mode.
For me,
because you guys are...
For me, both of them are easy. Because I always play with blocks. And wait, that was easy. And this is easy to make how to.
So make them each all three. So
I'll make them. I think I'm so because I really want to make.
So right now it is not each three because I need 1, 2, 3 more.
When you make yours, I'm gonna make mine here so no one can see because I really want to do it now.
Yeah, because we're just bothering you guys with this easy one first. Then you'll see it.
I forgot how to make it.
Whoa. Okay, I think I know how to do this. Hold on. Okay, so actually I think we need to put these over here. So what does it say? These over there. Now this. And now we're going to need 2 more actually. So.
It's not only made out of squares.
Yeah.
Mine's only made out of triangles.
So then we're going to lift these up. And then look, we don't have it yet. This is not it. Because we need a couple more. Hold on, guys. I need to do that.
We're going to put some inside so it's hard for it to break.
Yeah. So now we're going to put some inside.
Like that, like this. Up like that.
Yeah. We're going to...
What? Oh. That was weird. It's just doing something and then it...
So you have to add 2 blocks there. But you need this certain kind. I forgot what it's called. I'm sorry.
It's magnet blocks.
Oh, yeah, magnet blocks.
Well, I don't...
Wait, do. Oh, now I know what
Put them
you're
there
doing.
too.
Oh, come on.
I didn't know that could happen. I don't think...
Okay, so now it's going to be easier because we have our 4 places. We know where we need to place it. So, plop. So it's actually more difficult. Plop, plop. Now we got it.
Yeah.
And if you want to add any more details to it, you surely can.
Oh, I know what you can do. I know what you can do.
Ooh, we can make a tiny roof out of triangles. Wait, is there any big triangles?
No. They won't. Oh, they're all big skinny ones.
I don't know what to use with those. Maybe we could... Ow. Wait, where's the big other ones?
Are those big triangles?
Yeah. I don't think there's any others.
Oh.
Maybe I could... Wait. Guys, we're going to test this out. So it doesn't work. So anyways, this is the final result. So surprisingly, I only had 1 extra block. So I'm going to try to do something with it. Like, plop. It doesn't even stick, but...
Yeah, see?
Maybe... Wait, maybe I could do roof protection with this one. This huge one. It's still sticks.
And all them.
Wait, now we can do floor protection. Wait, no, we're gonna do all the layers. Put the 3 other ones. Now plop it on top. Now it's basically almost a cube, but now it's just a weird shape. I know you see him. I know you see him. Oh, come on. do 3 things, so you better hurry because we could only have like 9 more minutes left of the video. So yeah. Okay, anyways, first we'll show you what to do quickly because I know what you do from here. You do that. I think I'm already going wrong.
No, you're not going wrong.
Oh.
Oh no, no,
Oh,
no, no,
no.
no, 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 no.
You just do it. Okay. Okay, you do that. Okay.
Yeah, your legs just
So once you get, wait, I'll explain it. So once you get a triangle, which my brother doesn't have yet, once you get a triangle, you lift those 4 up, then those 4 up, then those 4 up, and then bam, you got a pyramid.
And
Next,
I'll show you the second thing. The easiest thing I'll show you the whole room. Actually, I don't want them to be in full, but it might not have enough room.
wait, do you need triangles for it?
Yeah.
I'll just pile them up.
I think I need all of these just for it. I think I need Amelia.
Okay. Okay. Now he's gonna start. You better hurry because we only have like 2.
Do you have to go out like right now? Okay, so you'll have to finish that later.
No, try to be quick.
Okay. You better hurry, dude.
And we have all the way till tomorrow to get your call. Just do the also so here, because I don't have too much time. Yeah, we definitely have to do
Isaac,
it.
you can just stay here. It's okay.
Okay, so now he's doing something. Wow. It looks pretty easy so far, but something's telling me it's gonna get harder.
Yeah, I think it will.
Wow.
Now this. No. Little thing was definitely easier. Ah!
Wait, is there one more after this?
Yeah, one more.
Unlock the door, open the
Anyways, sorry about that, but we had to pause it for a while, but he just put triangles there. Now he's putting triangles between.
Wow. How? Wait. There's no more triangle. Wait, but there's definitely more triangles in here.
What do you mean? There's 3 right there.
That's true. Oh, I meant there was no more squares. But this. Oh, we have. Oh, now we have a square. Got that. Oh, that was kind of tall.
So you need 1 square?
Yeah, I need one more square. I need one more square.
Oh, I see why.
Yeah, this. I want to put it here for a second. Okay.
Wow.
Now
Oh yeah, that's cool.
there's a missing triangle.
There's
I need another triangle. Found it.
wow. Okay, he put 1 there. Well, if you guys want to try this one, you could try this one. Okay, now here comes the last one.
You might need a little help to do it now, bitch.
Yeah. You might have to watch this video a couple times to understand. But it's Is the last one quick?
Yeah, it takes me kind of short to do it.
Okay, good.
It's-
Angles.
2 triangles. No, more.
I know, but first. Well, it seems like he's making I don't know.
Not even anything. The other one's not even anything. It's just a creation.
Creation.
Ah!
Ooh. I wonder what he's doing.
I'm making something. That's obviously what I'm doing.
Good point.
Yeah, good point.
But I wonder what it's gonna turn out like. Wow, this actually looks really, really cool. Did you make this before?
Yeah, I made it a lot of times.
Okay, the video could only be 4 more minutes.
4 more minutes?
Yeah.
4 more minutes?
Yeah. or 5.
Now you put these up.
I'll help.
But it takes a shot to do. And we still have
Wait,
some
did you? Wait.
What?
Oh,
What?
I saw you make this before. I mean, I remember this. And then we put a ball inside of it.
Yeah, we did. But this time we don't need to.
Do 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 do. This is on.
Yeah, Teen Titans Go Song.
The heck?
The wheel.
Whoa! I
found a random white thing on.
The field.
Oops. See it? That.
Anyways, will